Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a dependent samples or paired t-test. And we use those t-tests when you can't assume independence between observations. So in this case we're going to have individuals measured at two different time points, but you could have dependent samples, say, where pairs of people that rely on one another may be observed together, like a husband and a wife or a parent and a child, and those could be dependent samples as well. But in this case, we have scores on memory before an intervention and after intervention. And again, the data that we're using for this demonstration is from our textbook, Basic Statistics for the Behavioral and Social Sciences using R. And this comes from Chapter 6 on comparing samples, which we talk about parametric tests comparing samples. So in the previous video, I showed you how to do an independent samples t-test. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how to change that up a bit and do a paired samples t-test. So again, in this case, we're going to look to see if there's significant change in patients' memory before and after an intervention. So to do that, we need to keep those variables in mind. So to do this t-test, we're going to simply type in to our console t.test and the name of our variables, which is mem before, comma, hospital, mem after, and we are going to use the paired equals true option. So you could type true like I did in the previous video, all capitals, or you could just do a capital T. And now we have the results of our t-test. So again, arg in the output gives you the alternative hypothesis. So here the alternative is the true difference in means is not equal to 0, meaning that the means are different. And our null hypothesis is that the true difference in means both before and after is 0. So in this particular case, the mean of the difference in our sample that we can observe is a 1.38 difference. And our p-value is 0.03357. So we can reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative that with intervention, the memories of our hospital patients changed. And I hope you found this demonstration of the paired samples t-test helpful.